Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to see how to automate web elements present in the nested frames using Selenium Java. Okay, so this is the page we are going to automate today. So here we are having four sections. I will show you the properties. So here we are having the properties. There are two sections majorly. So the first section that is having, that is top section, we are having three subsection. Okay, so we are having left, middle and right. I will show you all the three sections. Here you see we are having one, two, three. So three section in the top section. After that we are having bottom. Okay, so we will see how to automate this particular nested frames. Okay, so we will try to print the text present in each section, that is left, middle, right and bottom. Okay, so we will go to Eclipse. I will copy the URL. I will give the URL in the description also. You can also practice. Okay, so now I already created a Java class. You can also create it, and inside that I have added main method. So here we are having code for opening the Chrome browser. Now after that I will add code for opening the URL. Using get method I will open the URL. Within quotes I am giving the URL. After that we can find the XPath for the text. Okay, XPath or maybe some other technique. Okay, I will use um, tag for this one because we are having body as a tag. So this time we will try with the tag. Okay, by dot tag name. So inside that you can give body. So after that, okay, so I will store this particular thing in some reference. I will give the name like left frame text, and if you mouse over you will get web element. So now I will try to get the text from that particular web element, that is left frame text. Okay, get the text and I will print it. Okay, using sysout. If you type sysout you will get the option for system out.println. So that's a shortcut for that, so you can use that also, and print using get text method. Okay, so you will get the text from there and you can print using system out.println. Okay, so I will add some text for it, so make it clear like from where it is getting printed. I will give name like printing text from left frame. Okay, and I will give driver dot quit. Okay, so currently we have given this name um, left frame text, and we have added code for getting the text from that. Okay, so but the thing is we not added or handled anything for the nested frames. So first we will try to run this and understand what error we are getting. So it is getting run and we are getting some error. So saying no such element exception. Okay, because it is not able to access this area, so which is inside the frame set. Okay, for that from Selenium we need to use driver dot switch to frame. Here we are having three options. We have index, name or id we can use, or else we can use the web element. Okay, so here this time I will use name or id. Here we are going to pass two things. The first thing is, in order to access this particular tab, I need to pass the name, that is frame hyphen top. Okay, so this is for switching to this particular area. Okay, after switching to the frame top, we need to switch again. I will copy the same code and paste it in the bottom. So here we need to pass frame left. Okay, now we are switching to the second subframe that is present within the top. Okay, after that if you give that particular find element code, it will try to find and print that using get text method. Okay, so now we have given two switching, one is for top and another one is for left. Okay, so we will try this. I'm running this one. So here you see it is getting printed. I will give some space, otherwise we cannot understand this. I will give some wait time also. Okay, I'm rerunning. It is waiting for 5 seconds. When you see the console, it is printed like left. Okay, similarly, after finishing this, if you want to access the other things like middle, right or bottom, so you need to bring that back to the default content. Okay, so if you give this option default content, then only it will be back to the normal working set. Okay, so otherwise it will be present within the frame, that is frame left, which we switched. Okay, it will not come out of that. So I am giving driver dot switch to default content, then only we can access middle, right and bottom. So I will copy the same set of code and paste it in the bottom. Now we are going to access the right or middle. We will try with the middle. So here in middle we have the frame name like frame middle, and here also we are having the body like the same XPath we can use. Okay, no need to change anything. It is similar to the above one. So we can use the same thing. We will give like right, not right. I will give middle, frame text, and the tag name is body, and we are going to get the text from there. Here we need to change this to right. Okay, right or middle, and I'm giving this web element here, middle frame. Okay, so again it is switching back to the default content. I will give this and run. Let us see how it is giving. So the cells are printed. Here it is printing the left and middle. Okay. So similarly, we will try with the last option, that is right, which is present in the top frame. Okay. I will copy the same set of code. As the X path is similar, I am copying and pasting. If it is not similar, we need to give a different X path. Okay. So here I am giving right frame. Here I am changing this to right. Here the name is frame right. So I am giving like right, and I need to pass this one to the get text printing. Okay, here also I am giving. Okay, so now after switching from middle, it is going to the default content again. So again I am switching to frame top, as this right is also present in the top. So I am switching to frame top and I am coming to frame right. Okay, so now the frame, at last the frame will be at the right. After that, after finishing the printing, it will again come back to default content. Okay, I will print this also. We will run and check how it is behaving. Now we will get left, middle, right. Three things will be getting printed. Okay, so here I need to change the name to right. I will change that. So now we will try to print this bottom. Okay, I will copy the same set of code. We have some few area where we need to change. I will tell you where to change. Here we need to switch only once, as this particular bottom is present in the first level itself. No need to get into the second level, that is the subsection. Okay, here we are having only one, and after immediately after switching to it, we are able to find the bottom text. Okay, so I am copying this frame bottom and giving this here. Okay, and I'm deleting the right because I don't want that. We are not going to switch to the sub frame. So bottom frame text, I will give the name like bottom, and I think that's all. We are again switching back to default content, then only it will be back to this particular place. So otherwise it will not allow you to access the web elements present outside the frame. Okay, you must be using this default content, otherwise it will block you from accessing the other web elements. Okay, don't forget to use this one. Even though if I not use here, it is not a problem because I'm going to quit the browser. If you are going to access some other web elements outside the frame, you need to use this for that. That is must. Okay, so now we will run and check how it is printing the results. It will print left, middle, right, and bottom. All the four things will be getting printed. Okay, so now we are able to access all the text that is present inside the frame. Okay, inside the nested frames. Here you see we are able to access left, middle, right, and bottom. So you can also try this. I will give the URL in the description. I hope this is helpful. We will see in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching. Thank you.